Back to my channel. I hope you all will be doing well. We start the lecture with this prayer that God bless you in every aspect of life and you will always stay happy and healthy. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and make sure that you should complete watch the video, and at last it should be very beneficial for you. So as you see from the title, that today our topic of discussion is about sensation. Content. First of all, we should study about definition of sensation, then characteristic of sensation, then types of sensation. Sensation. First of all, we should define sensation. Any can create conscious experience resulting from stimulation of a specific sense organ, sensory nerve, or sensory area in the brain. What is sensation in experimental psychology? Sensation is input about the physical world obtained by our sensory receptors, and perception is the process by which the brain selects, organizes, and interprets the sensations. Characteristics. First of all, we should study about specific stimulus. Each type of sensation involves a specific sense organ that react to specific stimuli. Eye for sight, ear for hearing, nose for smelling, and tongue for taste are sense organs. For example, light waves enable eye to see, whereas sound waves are not suitable for sight. Duration. Every sense organ has the capacity to hold certain quantity of the specific stimulus for the specific time. Then third one is intensity. Sensation of the same quality may differ in intensity. A light may be dim or bright, a sound faint or loud, a smell mild or strong, a taste weak or strong, a pressure light or heavy. A dim light produces a faint sensation of light, a bright light produces an intense sensation of light. Threshold. One of the most important characteristics of sensation is their threshold, that is the minimum intensity that a stimulus must have in order to produce a sensation in use at least 50% of the time. Then next one is threshold. Within the psychology of perception, two types of threshold are studied. First one is absolute threshold and second one is differential threshold. Absolute threshold, that is the minimum energy below which a stimulus no longer causes a sensation. Differential threshold, also defined as the minimum change of intensity over an already applied stimulus that the human body is able to differentiate. Types of sensation. Following are the types of sensation: visual sensation, auditory sensation, skin sensation, kinesthetic sensation, taste sensation, organic sensation, olfactory sensation. First of all, we should discuss about visual sensation, the perception experience of seeing. The sense organ involved in visual sensation is eye, and it is stimulated by light. 80% of information gathered through sensation belong to eyes. This is the most frequently asked question in the different competitive exams, that what percentage of information gathered through sensation belong to eyes. So it is 80% of information gathered through sensation belong to eyes. That is why eye is called queen of sensation. Then how does vision occur? Light waves enter the eye through the cornea, a transparent protective structure at the front of the eye. Behind the cornea is the pupil, the opening in the iris that regulates the amount of light entering the eye. Light then reaches the lens, a flexible, elastic, transparent structure in the eye that changes its shape to focus light on the retina. Then light then hits the retina, the innermost coating of the back of the eye containing the light sensitive receptor cells. The fovea is the most sensitive area of the retina because it has the greatest concentration of cones. Rods and cones are the photoreceptors. The light energy is then turned into the neuronal impulses which are sent down the optic nerve, the nerve that carries impulses from the retina to the brain. How does vision occur? This is also I explained earlier that how vision occurs, and this is also the image which show about how does vision occur. This also explain different parts of the eye. Then we should study about auditory sensation, the ability to perceive sounds through an organ such as an ear by detecting vibration as periodic changes in the pressure of the surrounding medium. How auditory sensation take place? Auditory sensation begins with the sound waves reaching the ear pinnae, which collects and reflects them after attenuating and amplifying to the auditory canal. Then the sound waves reach the eardrum and vibrate it according the pressure of the waves. This is also explained that how ear function occurs. Then skin sensation. Our sense organ of touch is controlled by a huge network of nerves ending in touch receptors in the skin known as somatosensory system. This system is responsible for all the sensation we feel: cold, hot, smooth, rough, pressure, tickle, itch, pain, vibration. There are three layers of skin. First one is epidermis, outer layer. Dermis is intermediate layer and deep layer is subcutaneous adipose tissue. Skin sensation. Basically, skin has three types of sensation: temperature, pain, and pressure. Kinesthetic sensation. The kinesthetic senses are the senses of position and movement of the body, senses we are aware of only on introspection. A method used to study kinesthesia is muscle vibration, which engage efferents of muscle spindles to trigger illusions of movement in changed positions. Taste sensation. The gustatory system or sense of taste is the sensory system that is partially responsible for the perception of taste. Your tongue and the roof of your mouth are covered with thousands of tiny taste buds. When you eat something, the saliva in your mouth helps break down your food. This causes the receptor cells located in your taste buds to send messages through sensory nerves to your brain. Your brain then tells you what flavors you are tasting. Taste sensation: five basic tastes that you also see from the figure: sweet taste, sour taste, salty taste, bitter taste, and umami taste. Organic sensations. Organic sensations are those sensations not produced by the particular sensory organ but can be felt in large parts of the organism. On the other hand, they occur only due to the internal stimuli caused by changes in the organism. Some of these organic sensations are hunger, sleep, thirst, or internal pain. Olfactory sensation. The olfactory system is responsible for our sense of smell. This sense, also known as olfaction, is one of our five main senses and involves the detection and identification of molecules in the air. Once detected by sensory organs, nerve signals are sent to the brain where the signals are processed. Olfactory sensation. Olfaction first occurs in the sensory cilia of the olfactory neurons, and the generated olfactory signals are transmitted to the olfactory cortex and to other areas of the brain through the synaptic connections of olfactory neurons with downstream neurons such as mitral or tufted cells in the main olfactory bulb. Thank you for your precious time. That's all from my side. And make sure that you like share, comment and subscribe my channel. And if you feel any difficulty, then you should comment down and I will try my best to answer you. That's all. Thank you. Stay connected and don't forget to subscribe.